This is the birthplace of one of the rarest cars on Earth. Only 3 or 4 of these Pagani cars exist in the entire world. Built from advanced carbon fiber, this machine is both art and engineering. Inside, a powerful V12 engine waits to be unleashed. Today, we go inside the Pagani factory to see how this ultra-rare hypercar is made.
This is the Pagani factory in Italy, where one of the rarest cars in the world is built using advanced technology and human craftsmanship working together. Pagani uses special carbon fiber to make the car extremely light and strong, which helps improve speed and handling. And these machines weave carbon fibers into ultra-strong sheets with perfect alignment and precision. High-pressure autoclaves harden the carbon fiber panels using heat and controlled pressure, while robotic arms assemble the carbon titanium chassis with extreme accuracy and balance. Titanium parts are added for strength and performance, especially in key structural areas, and the powerful V12 engine is built with extreme accuracy using carefully measured components before the engine is carefully installed into the car body to ensure perfect weight distribution. Each interior is handmade using premium leather by skilled craftsmen, and carbon fiber and aluminum create the luxury cockpit with a modern racing design. Robotic systems paint the body with multiple layers for deep color and shine, and the paint is dried and polished for a perfect finish under controlled conditions. Laser scanners check every millimeter for perfection and alignment, and the car is tested for speed and balance on advanced testing systems. Carbon ceramic brakes provide extreme stopping power at high speeds, and high-performance wheels are mounted carefully for stability and grip. Every detail shows the Pagani signature design and artistic engineering. The lighting system is tested for perfection and visibility, and the engine roars for the first time inside the factory hall. Only a few of these cars exist in the entire world, making them extremely rare, and the exhaust is designed for power and sound with a unique tone, while the aerodynamic wing increases downforce for high-speed stability. Every control is crafted like jewelry with fine materials. This badge represents Italian engineering art and passion, and engineers perform the final quality check with digital tools and visual inspection. The hypercar moves for its final test inside the factory track. Every movement is smooth and precise during testing. The seats are stitched by hand using premium thread. This design is one of the rarest ever made for collectors. And finally, this car is ready for delivery to its owner. This is how one of the rarest Pagani cars in the world is created, step by step, with perfection.